channel, and I'm Stella, and today we are going to play this break in the story. Hi Stella.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go in the car.
Yeah, we're moving. No, get out of the car.
Get out?
Yeah, because there is no people. We have to get going
Okay.
to people a lot. So
Okay, there's people going.
yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Come here, go. Yeah, it's a fool. It's a fool.
Hopefully we win. Oh, someone get out. Oh, someone get out.
No, guys, don't. Okay, guys, so let's. Stella going to be explain. Stella, can you explain how to play this game? Stella.
So, I'm so like nervous. So, I'm scared if there's like
Yeah.
me. I'll like have a heart attack right now of playing this game. Oof. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna grab some apple.
You have to giving a blocks cola, 1 apple, and
Wait,
1
guys,
apple
wait, I'm gonna go
pie.
back.
I'm going to get some. Also, guys, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button to support the Crystal channel. And also, guys, we'll get going trying to making a little, maybe some neon pad to giving you guys, so don't miss out. The giveaway will end at 10 December. So don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to I can't forget to send your Roblox username in the comment section down below. And don't forget that the subscribe button is notification is on.
I'm back.
Okay.
You got something? I got only apple.
Same. And cookie. I only have $30.
Did you get something? I didn't get something. I
Oh.
just get apple.
I get a lot of money.
Can't have money. 10, 13. I got 13.
I have to go to buy something. I have to go to buy something.
3 cookie, 2 apple, and 1 chip.
I'm trying to get going to the Bloxy Mart.
Well, we can go to the mall or something.
Yeah, we can. I'm going to the Bloxy Mart to buying some food and buying some healing.
So I have 13 bucket now.
Okay. We can buy a plant. So what should I buy? I'm going to buy this, so I can healing people. Stella, look, I got this. I can heal everyone.
Yes.
But first, I have to heal myself.
I have low energy.
No, I can heal myself. Hit my info. Okay, come on.
I want to go to the bathroom to find
You get going to a pooping.
of the soda. Because I have one soda in the bathroom.
I'm clicking the cat. And the cat just killed me.
There's no fun. Someone is knocking this door.
Where do we sleep?
Okay, I'm scared.
Lee Jong-sen.
But I always scared the pizza delivery man.
He's just smiling. Wait, I forget.
Going down.
I'm going to get some pizza right now before it.
Yes.
Yes. A pizza, the pizza. The pizza.
Okay, I get an apple for apple. Where are you?
Oh
upstairs?
no.
Where's upstairs?
Sleeping,
It's bath
sleeping little time.
Go to bed.
Yeah.
I'm sleeping right now.
And you know what? Someone just subscribe my channel one more again. But we need more subscribers, right? Right?
Hmm?
We need more subscribers, right? Someone just subscribe our channel. Oh,
Wait, let's see if there are any people. Oh, there's so much people. I'm gonna say hi, guys.
there is no hi, guys. It's only 2 of us. It's in this bedroom. No!
No.
No one going to protect us.
Yep, we're kids, right? Right.
Yeah.
We're kids, so
Oh.
I'm low energy right now. So I'm gonna eat how much as I can right now.
It's okay. I gonna eat my chip.
No, I'm dying. No, I'm not dying. I'm not dying. I'm not dying.
I'm going to heal you. I'm going to heal
So
you.
much. Oh my god. I'm so
Are you
thankful
fine?
for my chip.
I heal you.
Ooh, thank you, Chip. I love you so much.
Same. I love my chip. Let's get going.
No, it's a pink room, not a blue room. Bro.
Yeah, it's only 2 of us in this hell room.
Yeah, there's this name, but there's no like people. So last time I made a terrible book. I don't know how to make it, bro.
She says security camaraderie and like shit to be you.
Yes, sir.
Wait. How they put it outside? We can go outside? No, we can, right?
I don't know.
How? Is it a hacker in this game? No way, bruh. Someone just put it in the door. The. Hiya. Stella, fight him.
Yep, take the money.
I didn't get. Fight him. Money. Oh, finally we defeat them, right? This bed only can sleep who have low energy. I'm going to sleep.
You have to sleep here.
I don't have a lot of energy. Can we let the door sleep because they the one try to protect us? We just stand.
I have like half an energy.
Straight.
No, we can't sleep.
Yeah, because
Left.
we have a full of energy.
Who needs to bat the most?
Wait, do you just bet? No, you have a lot of energy.
Okay, I give it to you. Oh
No. Okay, up. You can stand up, right? Jump.
no. No, I cannot jump, but there's nothing happen.
Come on. I'm just jumping on your head.
Sorry.
Okay, it's time to get going to Block C. We can go to supermarket. Come on.
Really?
Yes.
Where are you?
You idiot, come here.
Let's go.
I'm here.
Head out of bed.
I hope we both have a
Let's go to the
rope.
supermarket and have 16 bucket.
Yeah. Oh my god, the supermarket. What are we going to buy? Oh,
Okay. Okay, Chip, I'm gonna buy Chip.
I'm going to buy Coca-Cola.
Ow.
Yes, I buy Coca-Cola.
Nothing to buy. I have nothing to buy.
Okay, let's get going back. Oh my god, no! Who is that guy? He look ugly. But I think it's a little pizza man. Who is it? No, this is really creepy. No. Don't you dare come. No.
No, I can't see anything.
Okay, it's time to fight him. No, don't fight now. When he's slow, just fight. No, don't fight him. Don't fight him right now. Just hide. Don't fight him right now. Hide.
Why?
Cause if we fight him right now, we can get him.
Okay, I'm
Yeah, we can fight it. Ah, run, run, run. No. No.
Oh, look at him.
Look at him. He only coming for me.
Okay, I'm gonna go defeat him. Bruh.
Fight him.
What are you doing, bruh? Bruh.
Fight. Ah, run.
Run.
Coca-Cola.
I'm gonna eat some pie.
Wait, they have a pie too?
I have 3 pies.
Wait, pie?
Yup, he gonna die.
He coming for me.
We go upstairs. Let us know one by a top.
Yeah, okay. Oh my god, an alarm is going to off. Go outside and check it out. Be careful. Wait. I'm coming up here if we can get some food. Oh no. No, just we have to get going out.
Oh my god. What is they doing? Where are you? Okay, let's go.
Oh wait. Can we shower here? Feels so good.
Okay, I'm gonna shower.
Don't fall, okay? Don't fall. Why are you falling? What? You idiot. You don't fall again. If you fall again, I can't help you, okay?
I'm eating cookie. Wait, I'm gonna eat something.
Oh God, my life. You can going to be a ghost and seeing me and another person left. It said
This is
that.
not a ghost. Only me is a ghost.
Oh well, guys, we didn't win the game, right?
Yes.
We try a lot of time. But it's okay, guys. We're going to be win in the next video. So make sure you guys to subscribe and like. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Oh my god, look at that hot dog. Also, we're going to be trying to win the game in the next video. Oh my god, look at the hot dog. And the best thing that we are giving away pet in Adopt Me, guys. So make sure you guys have to subscribe. It's really important. Also, say a Roblox username in the comment section down below so we can pick people, only 5 lucky people giving away our neon pet. So make sure you guys subscribe and like. And don't forget to that notification is
I'm
on.
walking slow-mo.
I can't because I'm not in phone, I'm in computer. Okay guys, so bye.
I'm walking slow-mo right now.
Say bye.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, we're so tired today. Look at that. Bye.